we're back down in this hole again. I got some new, finally had to give up on the H&L teeth. I got a set of cast teeth. These are just Chinese made, but they are working pretty good in this stuff. It's amazing what a sharp twin tiger can cut through that a lot easier than a bigger tooth or a broad. I wouldn't be surprised if they're not done by the end of the day. They'll probably be wore plumb out. But right now they're cutting pretty good, making it a lot easier to shape this up. I can actually cut down, I can actually shave that rock just a little bit easier. Get my walls straighter down at the bottom. I didn't realize how dull them other teeth had gotten, but they were not really doing a whole lot of good. So anyway, we got these going. We'll probably knock most of this out today. I may have a little to finish up tomorrow. I don't know for sure. These guys don't work super late. They start early and go home early. That's okay too. Nothing wrong with that. Always something to do at home in the evening. So anyway, we should be close to grade. I don't know how close we are up there, but we're probably pretty close. Got a little water in the hole overnight. That happens every night. Get down this deep. This is a good job. It's taking a little time to do it, but these guys are not worried about the time it's taking to do it. They're happy with getting it done. You're going to come across that kind of stuff. You're going to come across jobs where a lot of them are more than happy to pay you to come out and do a job if they don't have to worry about how it gets done, if they know it's going to get done right. They don't have to stress about it. The guys that hired me to come out here, I told him it's going to take a while. He said, no problem. And like I say, we could have probably got a bigger machine in here, dug this out a little faster, but the deal is though, you're dealing with tight quarters. It's hard to get bigger machines in jobs like this and actually make more production, because you still got the same little hole to get the dirt in and out of this, or to get your spoils out of here. So if you got a bigger machine, you're probably sitting there idling more than you're actually working. So the way we're doing this is working out pretty good. Nobody's really waiting on anybody else. Actually, the Bobcat's keeping up with me pretty good. He's not having to travel too far, so working out good. Everybody's happy. That's the important thing. I didn't know about, but the plumber has to dig a hole in the bottom of this hole, another 7 foot deep. So I kind of stopped what I was doing, and now I'm gonna kind of filled in a little ramp. Basically just gonna have to drive down in there and dig the hole, try to dig the hole out for the plumber. Well, this job just got a little bigger, which is not a bad thing. They usually get smaller. So I'm not gonna complain. Get this where I can back down in there, and basically we'll just drive down in this part here and then we'll reach down in the bottom of the other hole. So now on this until we get that done, and then we'll go back to work for the concrete guys finishing the hole. So just added another day to this job. The way it looks. I've got this ramp down a little bit better here. Alright, we're going back down in there. Ready to start digging. There we go. Now, depending on where this hole is at, I think I can reach it from right here and set the dirt on the side. Yeah, I may want to move over a little bit. Get my front end over a little bit farther. Whoop. Up here on the side of this bank, that'll make it work a little better. See if these guys are ready to lay this out. Okay, we got that little hole punched out. That was easier than I thought it would be. We went down about 6 feet deeper, 6.5 feet deeper than what we were before. And now I'm gonna help them move some of the spoils out of here. They're having trouble climbing this ramp. This sandstone gets slick, and so I'm gonna help them move a little bit of the spoil pile out of the way, and if I don't fall off in a hole. Anyway, kind of got to be careful working around places like this. We're digging this water out of here, so it's making things muddy. But, get that out. We're done digging, so I'll move your spoils out of the way. Anyway, we'll get this stuff dug out of here, moved out of the way. Turn the camera around where you can see what's happening here, I guess. Anyway, we love our four-wheel drive backhoes. These things will climb out of a hole pretty good. Usually backing down a hill is more dangerous than driving down fords. Just the way a backhoe is kind of made, it's loaded a little bit heavier in the rear. So you got to be careful backing down a steep hill with one. You can always put your outriggers down close to the ground if you are worried about it. If you're on a new machine, you don't know nothing about it. That's always the best. You know, you don't want to be taken by surprise and say, "Oh, this thing's really." Some of them are really heavy in the back, so you can't. They're not all the same. And even you could have two models, one with an extended hoe and one without, and they're going to be balanced different. Even though they add front end weights on the extendo models, it still changes the balance point. So you just kind of gotta be careful, you know, just backing down hills like that kind of stuff. But the backhoes are not dangerous like people. I mean, people get scared of them. They think they're top heavy. They think they're tippy. They're really not that bad. I mean, people make them out to be a lot worse than what they are. And it's kind of a shame because, you know, a young guy could buy an old backhoe and start a business, and he could do snow plowing, he could do digging, he could clear trees. You know, you can do a lot of things with a backhoe, and it's a shame because a lot of people say, no, you can't do that. They're not good at doing anything. And anyway, it's just it's a misunderstood machine, I think. There's probably more machines like it that are misunderstood out there, but anyway, one of my favorite machines in the world right here is a backhoe. Dig that hole out bigger. But we are gonna try to get out of here. Call it a day. Okay, we're back down here at the school. I think your glasses are dirty there. Okay. Go in here and finish digging this hole, we think. I'll try to. Brought little red down to bring the backhoe home.